We recently visited Big Spring near Van Buren, Missouri on the Current River. We wanted to enjoy the park and see how the lodge and cabin restoration was progressing.
This video provides a glimpse of the restoration of the lodge and cabins in the historic district at Big Spring. The project completion has been delayed, and I heard from the staff that the lodge and cabins may be open later in 2025. We're definitely looking forward to renting a cabin on our next trip. We rode our bikes from our campsite to the historic district. Here you can see the walkway from the Circle Drive and parking area up to the dining lodge. Notice the new native landscaping, the restored retaining walls, the stairway up to the cabins, and the stairway down to the river. I was really pleased to spot this rare yellow lady slipper on the trail above the retaining wall behind the dining lodge. We only saw this one on the Chub Hollow Trail that starts at the dock and loops around to the backside of the lodge. There's a new handicap accessible walkway down to the river and the dock. The river here is actually the spring branch that flows into the Current River not far from the dock. For bird lovers, I want to mention that this is a very birdy place. We heard or identified 38 bird species, including 11 warblers and vireos, several thrushes and flycatchers, and I also got to see pileated woodpeckers up close in our campground. You can see on the dock that there's been some high water that's left a little bit of mud and debris. You can see here stairs that go up the hill behind the lodge to the 14 cabins. Pathways and stone stairs lead from all the cabins to the dining lodge. There's a newly paved road that winds up the hill to all the cabins. The renovated cabins have screened-in porches, fire rings, and picnic tables. These stairs in the back lead to the parking area and the next level of cabins.